Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Harbor Freight's doing it again. When they do it, I tell you about it. It's the 30% off $10 and under sale. It's going on this weekend, Friday, March 25th, which is today through Sunday, March 28th. What is this sale? I've explained this to you before, so I'm going to be very brief here. Anybody can walk in and get 30% off 5 items in the store that are $10 and less. If you are an Inside Track Club member, you can get 5 items in the store at $20 or less. There's a limit of 5 in the store. There's a limit of 1 online, but it's only at the $10 price. The Inside Track Club $20, you can't do that online. That's basically the limits to the sale, guys. It's a great time to get a bunch of stuff at Harbor Freight that is cheap. And I got a few things on the bench here to let you know about. The squeeze clamps, they're all under $10. The F clamps, you know I love these. These are all under $10. Just about all of the Quinn tools are under 20, most are under 10. That's true for the Doyle tools as well. They have many safety glasses there. They're a couple of bucks, so grab a handful of them. Grab 5 every day and save yourself some money on these things. These knives here, guys, I love these knives. These knives come these are $1.99 a piece, and they come with a couple extra blades. You can see I just picked another one up today. This flush cut saw has worked very well for me, under $10, so you can get it for 30% off. All of the dead blow mallets, the 1 pound, the 1.5 pound, all the way up I think to the 3 pound, are all under $10. These are good dead blow mallets. You can see I just picked another one up. Many other things, guys. Microfiber towels. I wasn't even going to show you this, but I used it to clean my little chalkboard off. Excuse me, not my chalkboard, my whiteboard that I made last month. So again, quick and dirty for you guys. It's going on this weekend, 30% off. It's a great time to get your clamps. I hope you like this. If you did, please hit the like button. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Have a great day.